Welcome to MyAmes Week 5. In Week 5, you will learn family words, describing people, describing clothes, colours, read and do activities about Samia. 2. Family, learn words. Family, learn words. Click here to listen and learn the words. Click father. Turn over and say father. Go to the next one. Mother. Turn over. You say mother. Continue along. Then we have to type the words father, mother. Make sure you check both of them. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. Keep going all the way through. Then drag and drop. Father. Which picture is the father? Here he is. We drag and drop. We do the rest. Activity 9. We continue on. 10. And then we listen. So we listen, click on the listening, father. Then we type. Oh, yeah, father, father. Go all the way through and check at the end. Don't forget, when you've finished, you click on the star to make sure you've got them all right. When you finish, scroll down and go to the next activity. Number 3, describe people, learn words. We click on that one. Again, click on the picture. Listen to the word tall. Turn over. You say tall. Listen.
Average height.
Average height. Okay, when you finished all of those, next activity again, you type the word in here. This word, we type it in here. This word, short, we put over there. Continue along. Average, young. Keep going. Then again, drag and drop. Tall. Nope. Here we go. Tall. When you finish, don't forget to check. Go through. Then we do the activity where we listen again. Might go down here. Short. Short. I type that in there. When you're finished, check. Don't forget the star at the end when you're finished. Next one, clothes. Lots of describing today, lots of adjectives which are describing. Clothes, look at all those clothes. Again, click here and listen to the words to describe.
Suit.
Suit. Turn over. Suit. Go all the way through. Type the words. We've done this the last couple of activities. Tracksuit, suit. Type the words in there. Don't forget to check. Activity 6. Yes, we keep going. All of them along. Keep going along. Drag and drop. Tracksuit, drag. Suit, drag. Shorts, drag. And lastly, we listen again. Listen to the words and type them in. When you've finished all the activities, click on the star. Last one of the learning. Learn these colours. Click to listen.
Red.
Turn. Red. So you say it after me. Then next, click.
Blue.
Blue. Again, type the words in here. Type the word in here. Check, check. Activity 8. Here we go. Drag and drop. Can you remember which ones they are? Green. Green. Number 11. We listen. Again. Listen to the word.
Purple.
Oh, purple. Purple. So we type that in there. Again. Click the star when you're finished. Read the story about Samir. Samir, about me. We can click here or up here.
Samir. About me. My name is Samir.
So we'll go all the way through the story until the end. When you finish the story about Samir, this story is about Samir or you. Check. Check. Number 7. Samir, about me, listen and do. So you listen again to the story about Samir, and then we do the activities about Samir. Listen, then drag and drop. I'll do the first one with you.
My name is Samir.
My name. My name is Samir. Yeah. My name is Samir. Good. So we keep going through. Listen, drag and drop. Keep going. And the button at the end. Again, a listen and do. Listen and read. Listen and read. Listen.
My name is Samir.
Good. You listen all the way through. Type. My name is Samir. So I type Samir. Go all the way through these. Excellent. Make sure you click the start at the end. Write about you. This is a new bit. So, write about you. My name is, and you write here, my name is, and you type your name. Write about you. My name is, and I have. Discussion group, topic, you click on this one. Subject, Nikki. And here I've typed, my name is Nikki. I have brown eyes. I am short. I have brown hair. And then I click Post to Forum at the end. When we finish writing about you, we scroll down to Assessment Task. So this is VU 22585, Use Beginning Language Learning Strategies with Support. We've already done Task 1. Now we need to do Task 2, How I Learn English. Click on that. How I Learn English. Click on this one, answer the questions. How I Learn English. We need to click to say that this is your work. Question 2, write your full name. You have to text or type your full name in here. Number 3, to learn English, I used, choose one of these, mobile phone, computer, calculator, workbook, dictionary, pens. So down here, we click which ones you used. You choose how many you like. Number 4, to learn more English, we need to choose again. Did homework, spoke English, I did online activities. Click the ones that you have done. Number 5, this term I learned, choose one, to read, to write, to speak, to listen, to type, to use computers. Choose one or more. Down here. I learn English on. We need to choose which days you learn English on. Could be many days. Then we have to listen and type A. So we type capital or type capital A. Go all the way through, listen and type all those letters. When you finish, you submit your questionnaire. So you click on that and you've finished. Excellent. Well done. Done a great job this week. It's been really long. Have a good week. Bye.